I don't know about you, but I am ready. Summer's in full swing. We need a beach trip.
Yes.
Like, soon. I'm thinking beach. I think treasure chests, sand, sharks.
Mm-hmm.
I do think of sharks all the time because I have a rule. I will go in the water, but I will never be the farthest one out. You know why? Because I figure whatever's coming from the ocean, I don't want to be the first one eaten. So I will go out pretty far as long as there's someone out further.
It's usually me.
If that person's out there, I'm heading back because I'm not going to be the first in line when the kraken or the mutant sharks attack. Mutant sharks, I watch too much
Usually me.
sci-fi.
I like to swim and just let the current take me. So.
You mean let the kraken take you?
Apparently.
Not
Well, he's my
safe.
friend. It's fine. He won't hurt me.
Maybe we can summon something friendlier.
Yeah.
We caught him this time.
Baby shark.
4 surprises. Tiny little baby shark? I don't know. I want candy. I want toy sharks. I say, let's open them up. Welcome to Z's Toy Box. Z.
B.
Summer. This is summertime, B. So these are made by, obviously, the Pink Fong Company and
Nickelodeon.
and Treat Street. So,
It does say 3+ years of age.
listen, this was one of the first children's song that, despite its repetitive nature, did not make me want to scream. And then the dubstep remix, that is official. Like, you can find a lot of remixes of this song, but Pink Fong did a legit remix, and it is a bop.
Oh.
Okay, already?
Yeah, there was like
That's a nice little
sand kind of
chest.
things.
Like the detail on that, you give that a coat of brown paint. And we like when we can use the packaging and it doesn't go in the trash.
So we think this one's gonna be baby.
Yeah, let's try that. See if that is legit. Baby shark.
So there's the candy jewels,
Excuse me. Oh, they are a little goofy.
and then you have your stickers, which are cute.
Oh my God, pirate baby shark.
Looks like a treasure map of some kind. Yeah, it's a treasure hunt. And then on the back it shows all the figures. We have Grandpa.
Oh, okay, so it's not color coded.
Oh, and it's this nice, like, have you ever gotten those things that hang off your bag that's like rubber?
Oh, like a little backpack tag thingy.
Yeah.
So you got Grandpa Shark and
Grandpa
what
Shark and Mommy Shark coin.
All right, so then I'm just gonna randomly guess. I want, so let's say, you know what, Grandma. What do we get? I did get Grandma! Called
Nice.
it! Oh, we got Grandma and Grandpa! And then I got Baby Shark coin.
So who do we think is in the pink one? Who's this gonna be? I think it'd be cute if it was Baby Shark.
Yeah, we just need Baby Shark.
Yeah.
All right, make Baby Shark happen.
Oh, nope, we got another Grandpa Shark.
Double.
Double.
All right.
Oh, it smells good.
Oh, ow. That was candy, not teeth, right? Okay. It's like a chalky hard candy, but that initial bite's a little...
It's a little soapy.
I was going to say perfumey. At first, it was like a nice tang. Smells like fruit punch. Tastes like soap. I expect like bubbles to be coming out. Yeah, I'd say overall, this was a cute little set. They were definitely cute. And the fact that you get... Yeah. Oh, and even you get a legit little like treasure box. Wait.
So you can stack them any which way so you can...
You know what? Pink Fong and Treat Street, I'm impressed. Thank you so much for watching this week's Summertime Adventure episode. And make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. More treasures from the briny deep.
And Baby Shark.
Thanks so much. Bye.
Bye.
And here we have our Baby Shark Candy Treasure Chests by Pink Fong, Viacom, in Treat Street. I love that we got Grandma and Grandpa. So cute.